Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and today's video I'm going to show you how to delete GCash account, permanently delete GCash account right here. So let's get started. So here we are on our GCash, and from here what you want to do is tap on the profile button on the bottom right of your screen. So tap on that and then you would be prompted here. So from here what you need to do is tap on the arrow icon on the right top or top right of your screen right here. So tap on that and then you'll be prompted right here where you can see your account information. And from here you can already see the delete account button right here. So you want to tap on that, and then from here you want to tap on continue. And then you would be prompted with this notice right here. So before you go, make sure you don't leave anything behind. So if you have a pending balance in G Credit and G Gifts, you need to pay it first because you wouldn't be able to pay for it, or you'd have a hard time paying for it if you delete your account, because you absolutely need to pay for that. Even if you delete your account, you will not escape from that. And then you would have the withdraw savings from G Save and G Invest, and then you can spend money online, in store, or in G Life, and pay bills or send load to your friends and cash out remaining balance here on your account. So if you are now absolutely sure that you want to delete your account, you want to tap on delete account right here at the bottom, and then you want to tap on proceed, and then after that your account will be processed for deletion. And then you can see here it says at the bottom, account deletion will be completed in 5 business days, so which means it will not be immediately deleted here in GCash. So that is basically how you can do it here in GCash. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.